Are you the demand for reliable sewing machines is surging as more people embrace DIY fashion, home projects, and quilting hobbies. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or a complete beginner, a quality sewing machine can transform your craft. This guide dives into the best sewing machines available, evaluating each model based on stitch variety. List number: Singer Heavyduty 4452 High-Speed Sewing Machine with Accessory Kit. The Singer Heavyduty 4452 is a powerhouse built for serious sewists. With a 60% stronger motor than standard models and speeds of up to 1100 stitches per minute, this machine powers through thick fabrics like denim, canvas, and leather. Its 32 built-in stitches, including a one-step buttonhole, cover a wide range of tasks, from simple repairs to advanced decorative work. The included accessory kit, complete with a walking foot, non-stick foot, and clearance plate, enhances its versatility. Its durable metal frame ensures stability, and the top drop-in bobbin system adds convenience. Whether you're sewing List 2. Singer Heavyduty 4432 High-Speed Black Sewing Machine with Accessory Kit. The Singer Heavyduty 4432 shares many qualities with the 4452, but at a more affordable price point. It features 32 built-in stitches, basic, decorative, and stretch, a strong motor, and a similar high-speed output of 1,100 stitches per minute. What sets it apart is its sleek matte black finish that gives it a stylish edge. Like its sibling, it's equipped with a metal interior frame and stainless steel bedplate for rugged performance. The machine also includes a handy accessory kit and is capable of handling thick fabrics, making it a favorite for crafters and DIYers. List number: Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine. Computerized, 165 built-in stitches. This computerized brother sewing and quilting machine is packed with features that make it perfect for advanced crafters. It boasts a whopping 165 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, and quilting stitches, plus 8 styles of one-step buttonholes. The backlit LCD display lets users easily choose and adjust stitch options, while the wide table offers ample space for quilting and large projects. Included are 8 presser feet, giving users flexibility for every kind of sewing task. While it's not a heavy-duty machine, it handles most fabrics well with smooth precision. List number: Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine XR3774, a perfect mid-range option. The Brother XR3774 offers both simplicity and functionality. With 37 built-in stitches, including quilting and decorative options. It's designed for creative expression and practical sewing alike. The machine comes with a wide table, making it ideal for quilting, and 8 sewing feet for various applications. Its intuitive design and top-loading bobbin make it beginner-friendly, while still offering enough versatility for more advanced users. Though not as powerful as heavy-duty models, it's ideal for daily use and a variety of projects. List 5. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. Compact, lightweight, and budget-friendly. The Brother XM2701 is an excellent choice for beginners or casual users. It offers 27 built-in stitches, including decorative and blind hem stitches, and a one-step buttonhole. It also comes with 6 included sewing feet, covering the basics like zippers, buttons, and zigzag stitching. This model is designed with simplicity in mind, easy threading, a jam-resistant bobbin system, and clear manual instructions. It doesn't come with a wide table or computerized features, but it's a dependable entry-level machine.